What's happening, everybody? Thanks for coming by my new channel, Great Baldini's CNC carving and woodworking. I've got a few videos coming up very soon. This is a test video, and I'm just throwing this hose cart I picked up today at Menards. You saw the picture in the beginning, what it is. 90 bucks. It's not an endorsement, it's a user review. That's what I'm calling it. Alright, so we got a 5-foot hose that connects from this to the house. A really nice swivel valve, galvanized T that fits on the end of this fine spool here with a nice handle. And it came with some Teflon tape on it. And I tore it off thinking it was a cap, and now I'm putting a little bit back on. Let me do that real quick. Just a little. Get rid of that. On the end, if you see it, there's where the blue is, there's a rubber washer right here. And that T fits up against it. And we're going to do that real quick. I don't know if we have any plumbers watching. But I'm going to be using channel locks to tighten it as soon as we get it going here. Come on, get on there. There she is. So you can hand spin it on almost to the washer. You want it to compress that washer. Tightens up pretty nice. We're going to go about 3 on the channel locks. Don't have to kill it, but let's get it tight. I have always bought those plastic parts. I forget the manufacturer, but 60 bucks for those things that they break. This thing was 90 bucks. I'm happy. Put that aside. Comes with a nice handle, the hardware. There's that guy, and even a basket for the sprayers. Alright, so broken, comes with nice tires. The cone goes against the metal. It has 2 nice axles. It's got a flat spot that fits in the flat spot on that sleeve, and it locks it on. Makes it real nice nylon nuts. So one's already on. Slide it through. Just gonna sit. Put that in. Take another one. Washer, nylon nut, slide it through, everything's just going to be hand tight for right now. Yeah, I recorded this once before and I just had it hand tight, and I messed something up and I wanted to redo it, so you can see my skid marks on the plywood in the circle. Get that on. I'm trying not for you to see me for now. Still need to have a little mystery. So we're tightening that up, just hand tight. Spin it around. Now, it's a little wobble, but it's outside, who cares? Where the tubes are, flip it up. The handle slides over it, but this edge was catching on the punch out for the holes on the handle. So I just took my channel locks, kind of gave it a little bump in on the both sides, so that handle, which is there, see those punches kind of give an edge in there, a little burr. So that just helped it out. And that just drops on like so. Fits. Washer, lock nut. You can't get your hand in there. Okay. There isn't really anything to hold it. It just kind of forces. Just give a good, I think that's 11/16 socket. The wheels were 3/4, or if you know what the millimeter equivalent of 3/4 is. I'll wait. Yeah, 19.05. So this handle kind of goes down. You know what, let's grab a hold of that. Just to snug her up. There we go. So it's kind of loose, nice, free. Ooh. Really nice, I like it. Alright, so we got a couple other carriage bolts. We all know what those are. Seem to be a little smaller than 1/4 20. We can turn this around here so I don't have to reach out. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a square notch. We go in. A little tap, make sure it seats down. And tight. And we can, once it's all done, we can just go back. So hopefully this isn't boring you. I'm just testing out. I got my Canon M50 for videos. I think it's taking some really decent stuff. Testing that out. All right. I'm going to drop these tools on my feet. I have the Comica microphone, which is doing well. All right, the basket. The basket. Actually, we're going to turn that guy around. How? Come on, get on there. Wait a second. Don't be stupid. Let's hold that up on the other side. Shall we? Come on now. Come on. It could just be hand tightened now. Wing nuts in little funky places really is fun. Come on, get on there. I don't want to put them out the other way because you don't want those things protruding out. Okay. There it is. Let's do a quick. That's good. Just going to this side. The right socket. The right way. On the 8th pass. It's tightened up. Everything's tightened up. These wing nuts are just hanging tight. Beautiful. Hopefully it looks like the picture. Bad camera angle. That guy's just. Oh, it's got a nice spin collar on it. There's even a washer in there. There you got it. Ready for water. Just look at that. All right. Thanks for coming by. Quick little video. Hit the like and subscribe button. We appreciate it. And yeah, look forward to my new channel coming up with some actual woodworking things. Thanks.